Saraswati Shishukunj Vagwala Bursad English Medium Standard 4th Subject Maths. I hope that simplify of addition and subtraction for kilogram and grams units, it is clear for you from yesterday's video. Okay, here today's topic is of post office. What is the relations between post office and weight? So let me say you that if we go in the post office, maybe the first question for me, for you all is, have you ever been to a post office? If you will see on the board, that question I had already written for you. So if you had been to the post office, then you have to say, yes, I had been to the post office. If not, then you can say, no, I don't went any time to the post office. Fine. Okay, if you will go to the post office to post any letter, you have to post a letter. Nowadays we are having mobiles, technology, lots of, many times, even though we have to use this post, many times to courier or to post in marriage invitations cards or other things like parcels and many more. Okay, so why people go there to the post office? People go to the post office to send a letter, to post a parcel. Okay, so these are the few main tasks which we do at post office. How these letters are posted? First, what they do when you go to the post office, they used to give you tickets, right, to stick on the letter. That tickets are given to you on the weight of the letter. If the letter weight is as per, if it is more, then you have to pay the price of that ticket more. If it is a if that weight is a 5 rupees ticket, then they will give you 5 rupees ticket. 2 rupees ticket also you will get of the weight, for the weight. Okay, in this way you will get the tickets. There are different kinds of post letters. You can post in inland also or in abroad countries also. Inland means in your own country or in your own region or in your own state you can post it. They are called inland letters. Okay. Here we have to use the postal image which is given in the textbook, right? We will use that image to solve the word problems which are given regarding that. The first word problem is, how much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? Okay, you are having a letter which you have to post it and its weight is 50 grams. Okay, if you will see that the letter weight of 20 grams or less than 20 grams, so the price of that is rupees 5, right? Here we have 50 grams. So 50 grams, how we can say 20 grams for rupees 5, right? Still we have 30 grams. So we will write here again 20 grams. It means again rupees 5. 10 grams are remain. So that we will write it. Okay, one thing, see that if for every additional 20 gram, it is not 5 rupees, it is given here 2 rupees. So here we will not write 5, here we will write 2 rupees. Okay, 10 gram is more additional, so again it will be 2 rupees. Now we have to add all these rupees. It's 50 grams, right? Here equals 5 plus 2 plus 2 means rupees 9. Okay, clear? So at last answer we can say that rupees 9 I will pay for 50 grams weighing letter. Okay, 50 rupees 9 stamp, 9 rupees stamp he will get for 50 grams letter. Clear? Let's move towards number. Let's move towards our second word problem regarding the postal items and its rates. Okay. Akash wants to send a parcel of the Math Magic textbook to his friend Rani in Chennai. The book weighs 200 grams. What is the weight of the book? Is 200 grams. See the chart to find the cost of posting the books. Okay, now we know that the total weight of the books is 200 grams, right? And using the chart which is given over here, we have to find the total cost for that. Okay, so if we will see the parcel, right? It is a parcel. You know that it is parcel. So if you will see, the parcel weight is given to us is rupees 5 for 50 grams. So 50 grams parcel cost rupees 5, right? Now additional weight. So additional weight again 50 grams. 50 grams additional cost is rupees 3. Again we need 50 grams additional cost, which is rupees 3. Again 50 grams additional cost, rupees 3. Total 5 plus 3 8. Okay, and 3 plus 3 6. So we will have total rupees 14. Okay, so we can say that at last the cost of posting books is rupees 14. The cost of posting the books is rupees 14. Okay, clear? Let's move towards our third word problem. Let's move towards our number 3. Read the weight shown in the picture. If you will see here the picture, okay, in this picture the weight is given to us of a parcel. Find out the cost of sending a parcel of the weight. So here we have to find the weight of the parcel and its price. So first we will find the weight from the image. So if you will see the arrow, okay, of the weight, it is between 200 and 250 grams. So exactly it is between 225 grams. Okay, it is between the second and third dash. So we can say that it is 225 grams. So parcel weight we got now 225 grams. Right? We know the cost also. The 50 grams parcel weight price is rupees 5. And if it is additional, then we have to add 3 rupees for that. Okay, so let's calculate this. 50 gram parcel cost rupees 5. 50 gram additional cost is rupees 3. Next 50 gram that also rupees 3. Again we need 50 gram rupees 3. Okay, 50 plus 50 100 plus 50 150 plus 50, it is 200 grams, right? We need 25 more. So here we will write next 25 grams. So that also it is rupees 3. Now we have to add all this total. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 5 13 14 15 16 and 17, right? So we can say that total is rupees 17. So answer we can write that cost of SAM is rupees 70. These two blanks are already there in the question in your textbook. So you have to write the question up to here and then you have to calculate this answer. Okay, clear? I hope that this word problems regarding the postal items and its SAM, it is clear for you. Thank you.